I would like to check in for my flight.
Listen and repeat. I would like to check in for my flight.
These vegetables look very fresh today. These vegetables look very fresh today.
Can I have a cappuccino, please? Listen carefully. Can I have a cappuccino, please?
I have a reservation for tonight. Practice clearly. I have a reservation for tonight.
The meeting will start in 5 minutes. Listen and repeat. The meeting will start in 5 minutes.
Today's workout was really hard. Repeat clearly. Today's workout was really hard.
Please take me to the train station. Listen carefully. Please take me to the train station.
Do you have this jacket in black? Practice slowly. Do you have this jacket in black?
What do you recommend for dinner? Listen and repeat. What do you recommend for dinner?
I hope the bus arrives soon. Repeat carefully. I hope the bus arrives soon.
Has the boarding started yet? Listen and repeat. Has the boarding started yet?
These cakes smell amazing. Practice clearly. These cakes smell amazing.
I need to improve my English vocabulary. Listen carefully. I need to improve my English vocabulary.
Which train goes to downtown? Repeat slowly. Which train goes to downtown?
Can I get fries with my burger? Listen and repeat. Can I get fries with my burger?
Can I get fries with my burger?
The view from this room is beautiful.
Do these headphones have good sound quality? Listen clearly. Do these headphones have good sound quality?
I try to exercise every morning. Repeat naturally. I try to exercise every morning.